Just as we expected, the correction is getting stronger. The price has also crossed the yellow line of the indicators. Clear candlestick patterns help spot reversals just in time. Let's be honest for a second. You're working hard, and that's great. But is that really enough? I know you're putting in the effort, but you still feel like there's never quite enough financial freedom. In 2025, people are not sacrificing all their time or falling for shady schemes to build extra income. In this video, I'm gonna share with you a system that will help you learn trading from scratch. I'll explain and show you 3 key components that can help you understand the basics of trading right as you watch. My name is Simon Becker and I'm a professional trader with 9 years of experience. I was recognized among the top market experts under 30 in 2024. I've worked at one of the world's largest financial firms where I studied the strategies of successful investors. Just the past year, I hosted 8 practical masterclasses where I taught my method. In this video, I'll walk you through my favorite strategies step by step and show you how it's used in real trades. If you're a beginner, the system is for you. Watch until the end and I'll explain exactly how it works and how you can start using this tool today. Picture this, you're standing in front of a door. Behind it, you'll find new possibilities, a better lifestyle. But the door is locked and the key is in your hand. The only question is, will you open it? I know trading can seem complicated. Charts, numbers, strategies, it's like learning a new language. At first, it feels overwhelming, but what if you had a guide walking you through it step by step? In my trading community, there are thousands of members, and every one of them started from scratch. Now they understand the market and are making confident progress. Here's what you get when you join: access to daily live market analysis. I share my trades in real time and explain each move. A step-by-step strategy designed specifically for beginners. My personal support. I'll be there to help if you have questions. This is not just a group, it's where you get real knowledge and see trading in action. All you need is curiosity, the willingness to learn, and the courage to apply it from day one. Your first step, click the link in the pinned comment and become part of the community. The door is open. Will you walk through it? Let's get to trading. Alright, let's move on to the session. I've already opened the platform. This is what it looks like. I just need to set a few parameters, choose the pairs and the indicators. Here's one of my favorites. It shows when the market is picking up speed and when it's slowing down, meaning it helps identify a trend earlier than others and make more informed decisions. Okay, everything's set, let's get started. The price is moving in a sideways channel. This is called a range or consolidation. During these times, the market doesn't pick a direction but fluctuates between support and resistance levels. Now the price has touched the lower boundary support level again, but there was no gradual pressure buildup, which means seller pressure didn't accumulate and the price could bounce upward. I'm opening a position to go up, expecting the market to rebound from the level and continue moving within the range. We are seeing the price bounce. A range is one of the most predictable patterns if you know how it works. Let's keep going. There's been a sharp reversal on the chart. The price turned around with a strong impulse. This means buyers quickly regain control. The indicator lines are pointing upward, confirming a continuation of the movement. The market is pressing against a local level, and that's often a sign of an upcoming breakout. I'm going up, expecting the price to break through and keep climbing. The level was broken. A key insight: when the price consolidates against a level, it's more likely to break it than bounce off it. Let's move on to the next trade. After a drop, the price is retesting a level. This happens when the price breaks through a key zone, support or resistance, then comes back to it, like testing if it can stay above it or will fall again. Most often, if the downward move was strong and then the price just returns without aggressive buying, it means the level will act as resistance and the downtrend will continue. I'm going down, expecting a bounce from the level. And that's exactly what happened. The level held. When the price retests a level after a drop, that's often a prime entry point. Moving on. Okay, I see the trend is still down and the market has made a new low, followed by a slight correction. A correction is a temporary pullback, given a chance to re-enter in the trend direction. I'm entering a short position right at the end of the correction as the market gets ready to move down again. A correction is not a reversal, it's just a pause before the trend continues. Let's keep going. You just saw firsthand how market analysis helps identify the perfect entry points. You realize that trading is not based on guessing, it's a structured step-by-step process. But the main thing is that you don't need years of training to figure it out. I started from scratch myself, and I know the hardest part is not getting the information, it's learning how to actually use it. That's why I created a trading club where beginners can learn in real time and see the strategies working live. Inside, you'll get daily breakdowns of real trades, clear market explanations without complicated jargon, a step-by-step system to help you move forward confidently. If you want to turn trading into a simple, useful tool, click the link in the pinned comment. Now let's get back to the market. A bearish engulfing candle just appeared at the top. This means sellers have taken over and are starting to push the price down. The price has also crossed the yellow line of the indicator, signaling the beginning of a deeper correction. I'm going down, expecting the price to at least reach the accumulation zone in this area. We are seeing a trend reversal. Candlestick analysis and indicators help spot shifts in direction in time. Let's move on. We saw a battle between buyers and sellers. First, the market was pushed down, then quickly bought up with a strong impulse upward. The price is now holding above the indicator and making a small retest of the accumulation zone. I'm going up because the strong buying action shows the market is likely to keep rising. Strong moves are rarely random. If big players have stepped in, they won't let the price drop. Next trade. After a rise, we've started to see a downward correction and another bearish engulfing pattern has formed on the chart. This could mean the price is starting to move in the opposite direction. It has also crossed the yellow line of the indicator, confirming a deeper correction. I'm going down, expecting the decline to continue. Just as we expected, the correction is getting stronger. Knowing candlestick patterns helps act fast when trends shift. Moving on. After a strong upward impulse, we are seeing a shooting star, a candlestick pattern signaling buyer weakness. If buying momentum is fading, it often means the market is ready to pull back. The next candle confirms the pattern with a red close. It's a good time to sell as the downward move has likely begun. I'm going down, expecting a correction. Clear candlestick patterns help spot reversals just in time. Let's keep going. Now a different picture. After a strong correction up, the price has returned below the indicator and the lines are now pointing down. This might mean the upward move is over and sellers are back in control. I'm not hesitating, I'm going down, expecting the downward trend to continue. Let's continue moving with the trend. When price drops below the indicator again, it often signals another move down. And now the last pair for today. Just as I mentioned earlier, the correction reached this level, a support level. From there, the market bounced upward and returned to its main direction. The indicator confirms the upward trend. I'm going up, expecting continued growth. You just saw how fast it is to understand trading, without confusing terms or guesswork. Now you've got two choices. Let this knowledge sit unused or start applying it today. Let's be real, time is the most valuable resource we have, and the only way to move forward is to act now, not someday. The people who succeed don't wait for the perfect moment, they take that first step. In my trading community, you'll get live analysis of real trades, no guessing, just results. A clear action plan so you can apply your knowledge confidently. A team of traders ready to help you even if you're starting from zero. Don't waste time wondering. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see progress. If you're ready to move forward, click the link in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next stage of your journey.